Hello everyone, here are some beautiful hairstyles that you can make at home. First, make a ponytail from the front, then make 2 braids of it and tie it like shown in the video. Then braid the side part of the hair, then tie a beautiful strand around it and it's done. Moving on, braid the front part of the hair, then tie it from middle, then braid it into 2, then tie it together, then form a heart, take some sides and it's done. Moving on, take the side part of the hair, draw 4 ponytails, then tie them all together into 3, then again into 2 and then 1 and then stick it around the ponytail, roll it around and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, leaving some hairs from below, then wrap it around in a bun and tie 2 pigtails from below and it's done. Moving on, first leave some hairs from the front and braid them around the ponytail. Keep on doing it till you reach below. Do the same from the other side. Roll the ponytail once and attach it with a fancy rubber band and it's done. Moving on, make side ponytails, then from below, then roll it around it, tie it all together, then braid it up and it's done. I hope you enjoyed the video. They are beautiful as well as less time taking. Moving on, first make 3 ponytails, then with the help of the strands braid them and it's done. Moving on, first make 4 ponytails, braid them together, tie it up and it's done. Moving on, braid 4 ponytails leaving some hairs from below, then make braids of it and it's done. Moving on, first take some hairs from the front, place the ponytails and tie them as shown and it's done. Moving on, make 4 braids from the front, tie them all together and it's done. Here in this, first make 2 ponytails from the sides, leaving some hairs from below, then make a ponytail out of it and tie them all together and it's done. Moving on, in this video, make 3 ponytails by the side and 1 braided hair from the front, then braid the hairs all together and tie them together and it's done. Moving on, in this video, first make 2 ponytails, then roll it once and stick it out and braid them and tie them below and it's done. Moving on, take a scarf, fold as shown, then place it on the top and braid the hairs around it. Do the same either side and roll it and it's done. Moving on, braid the hairs from the front, then from the sides, tie them together and in a ponytail and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail from front and roll it once and pull out the hairs and it's done. Here, first make a ponytail, make 2 braids out of it and take some hairs from the side and do the same, tie it all together and it's done. Thank you for watching.